Respected principal sir, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Mohammad Ayan. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January, and we are celebrating on 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution of India come into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution, Republic Day. When youth realize the importance of democracy, Republic Day teachers used to live in peace, love and unity. I am proud to be Indian. I love my country. Jai Jai Bharat.